Jingrakhe on behalf of the General Assembly of the Presbyterian Church of India and the host church, the Footmori Presbyterian Church, to welcome you all. Hakini kapor ngawan kumne na kanyang General Assembly ng kapalang Presbyterian dari India kunjur na kapalang Presbyterian Footmori kabadi ka host church jong kini ka program ka berkepang ka 46 Biennial General Assembly but ka Centenary Jubilee Celebration arja apun rio ka PYNLONG na do ka arko kandai tarik u April hado lai tarik ume arja apun rio. So it gives me immense joy to express words of gratitude to all. And we believe that this week-long event is significant in itself, as it marks only not the biennial session of the General Assembly, but also commemorates the 100th year of its inception. And we hope and pray that our journey together during this remarkable event will be a milestone leading to yet another landmark in the history of the Presbyterian Church of India. And we wish all of you well, and may you have a wonderful time during your stay in this eventful program. And we pray for the presence of God and His abundant blessings to nourish our spiritual thirst as we come together in active participation during the biennial and the centenary Jubilee celebrations 2026. Kami ka provisional synod, nidang ka Mizoram synod, nidang ka Kashat Hill Tribe synod, Manipur synod, nidang ka Veteran synod, nidang ka Ribohai Presbyterian Church synod, nidang ka KJP synod Mingi, KJP synod Sagi, nidang ka Tripura synod, nidang ka Zau Presbyterian Church synod, nidang ka PYNLONG Presbyterian Church synod, but nidang ka Tangpai Provisional Church synod. Synod pring. Synod pring. Kemudian wait lagi synod, kawai provisional synod. Ya kemudian baik ini ke provisional synod pro kanyo ya status as full-fledged synod akan kita jinganan kita. But we are expecting like lakhs of faithfuls to be able to come this time to worship together and to celebrate the Jubilee centenary Jubilee together. So we would request for all those who made plans to worship along with us, especially on the 3rd May, Sunday, that in a few days' time we are going to air regarding the how then that we can come to the venue for this eventful occasion. Ni kwaro panapad ba maka arterik ski segan ke kuasiteng dan don ki inaugural service di Jingrakhe jomi ring ta SNEM jong balang Presbyterian hari India kani PYNLONG hamadan he stadium. Di hakatu kasni kan don ka jingplat ba ka souvenir kan don ka hoisting of the flag but kan don kijing ai ki bakapang yi gitu di belano SNEM ya kapalang Presbyterian hari India. Di kijingnya sen made group PYNLONG hamadan he stadium. Nado kesini sejan. Ni koamenyeto nado si sejan kamadan he stadium kende kejaka hakabangen PYNLONG yi kije sen made bak Jingrakhe ya kaniga centenary Jubilee celebration jong kapalang